in there. This is the aftermath of a tornado that just hit in Alberta. All of Alberta. You can see everything. Everything is leveled. It's folks trapped in AutoZone. I thank God we made it out of the... Because that could have been us. See, and this stuff still blowing down. That's the side of our building. It's a hole right there. It's gas. Do y'all smell gas? It's gas. It's a gas leak. Please be careful. Look at my mama's truck.
So you say the drive-through thingy?
Yes, it's not there. Look, you can see what. Oh my God! The whole storage is gone. Like that wall, yo. What hit the wall? Dad, can I please get a cigarette?